This is Spa Guy, and what we're going to talk about today is Balboa board fuses. Some fuses are soldered on the board. This particular one is soldered on, so if this fuse blows, a lot of people will just simply replace the board. What I've made is a little fuse jumper that has little contact ends on it, and what you basically do is you just snap these over the fuse on both ends, just like this right here. And there's a fuse in here. I put a half a amp fuse inside here, so order with confidence. If you have a Balboa board that this fuse is blown, then this right here will just snap over both ends and stay in place. Now you've got to be careful, like on this light leader, this is really close to that relay. You don't want that touching the relay, so just line it up like that. Now the reason this fuse will blow is usually a miswire or a lightning strike or something of that nature. If you keep blowing this fuse, which this one you can replace over and over again, if you keep blowing that fuse, most likely you've got a miswire. Check us out today. Order your fuse holder for Balboa board. I'm the Spa Guy.